Hello guys, Namaskar. This is Aditya Prajapati. In this video, I am going to talk about those people who are thinking about learning English, but they are not starting because of many hurdles. They have thought, they already have thought in their mind that what will be happening when I will try to speak in front of public, when I will try to learn, so I will have to do hard work. So mind is not motivating to you. It is saying that don't do. It is a very uncomfortable situation going to be if you are going to learn this language. So because of the mindset, you are not able to learn this language and you are procrastinating again and again every day, and you are saying that I will start learning this language from tomorrow. And guys, tomorrow will never come. Start it now, otherwise you are losing a very important thing in life. If you are thinking that I have to learn, if a thought has come in your mind that I have to learn this language because this is going to be very helpful for me in future, so you just have to start it now, don't wait. And guys, let me clarify that this is just a language, and this is very easy language in our country, because there are so many other languages. If you are going to learn other language like Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, so you will not be able to understand a single word. You will not be able to understand a single word, but in English language you are able to understand so many things, because you already have learned so many things in English language. Because in our studies from 1 class to higher studies, English language is a compulsory language. So only because of this, you already have known so many things. If you are uneducated, so there are so many guys, so many persons who are able to speak very good, and they are making videos on YouTube, and they are very popular, but they are uneducated. So how can they learn? Because if you think about your mother tongue, we have not been taught that we have to speak it. We are passing through this process. We are listening to the things from our mom, dad, in our family. So because of the continuous process is going on in front of us when we are child, so we are learning slowly. But now we have the senses. We have been young, and we can learn so many things easily. So we just have to start learning now. And the very important thing, the first thing first is speaking, because without speaking you cannot learn this language. And for speaking you will have to be ready आपको रेडी होना पड़ेगा कि लोग मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे, बट आई एम रेडी फॉर suffering so many kinds of fun, because people will definitely make fun of me. But आपको एक mindset बना लेना है. You just have to set the target that I will definitely learn this language, because this is going to be very helpful. So guys, don't wait for tomorrow and learn it now, because it is really essential. I can tell you so many reasons why you should learn this language. Because if you are going to study in higher classes, it is going to be very relevant. If you are going to give the government examination, so it is going to be very relevant. Because of the English language, there are so many guys who are lacking behind in exams, in competition exams. If you are in 10th class or 11th, or passed out from 12th class, so please guys, start learning this language, because this is going to be very relevant. If you are not thinking like this, please start thinking. एक बार सोचो इसके बारे में कि इंग्लिश नहीं लर्न करता तो मैं किन सारी चीज़ों से लैक करूँगा, और उनको नोट डाउन करो. प्लीज़ think about the importance of this language, and note down those important points that I am going to lack in future if I am not learning this language. और फिर उसके बारे में सोचो थोड़ा. and if you are if you have to achieve something good in future, so you will definitely learn this language. If you will definitely be aware about the importance of this language. So guys, don't wait for tomorrow and learn this language as soon as possible. And if you will start it now, you will practice it every day. If you are practicing it every day again and again, it is going to be very easy for you to learn this language, and very soon you will be able to be fluent in this language. This is just a language, this is nothing more than that, and this is very enjoyable. You will enjoy the process. Believe me guys, when I started learning this language, I started speaking in front of people. They used to make fun of me, but I used to enjoy. They used to make fun of me, but some of them used to motivate me. Some of my friends used to motivate me, but some of them used to make fun of me. But this is equal for me. कुछ लोग मजाक उड़ाते हैं, कुछ लोग सपोर्ट करते हैं, तो ये इक्वल कर लो और अपने माइंडसेट में इसको शून्य, जीरो हो जाएगा ना, इक्वल. जब क्रॉस आउट हो जाएगा दोनों का, कुछ लोग मजाक उड़ा रहे हैं, कुछ लोग सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, तो उनको क्रॉस कर दीजिए. और आपके माइंड में कुछ नहीं बैठना चाहिए. तो आपके माइंड में क्या होना चाहिए कि जस्ट आई हैव टू लर्न दिस लैंग्वेज कम वॉट मे. ओके, सो गाइज, इफ यू हैव अंडरस्टूड what I had to say in this video, what I am trying to say, if you already have understood by watching this video, so please subscribe to my channel and like the video if you found it very relevant for you, and share to all your friends who wants to learn this language. Okay, so have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.